I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the exact chat where you want to share live location. Tap the attach icon, choose location, then share live location. This immediately starts broadcasting your real-time position. Make sure location services are enabled and WhatsApp has permission to use precise location. Otherwise, the live feed won't update. Once you've sent it, you'll see a live location card in the chat showing remaining time. Now that sharing is active, move to the next steps to adjust or effectively change the reported time window. On the live location card, tap to open the detailed map view. This is where you control the timing. If you need more time, tap Extend and choose a longer duration. WhatsApp adds the extra minutes to the same live session so recipients see continuity. If you want to effectively reset the timestamp, stop sharing entirely and then immediately start a fresh live location with the new duration. This creates a new live session and a new start time visible to everyone in the chat. Make sure connectivity stays stable while doing this. To finish, open the live location card and choose End to stop broadcasting. This immediately removes your live updates and shows a final static location. If changes don't appear for others, ensure you have a stable internet connection, GPS enabled, and WhatsApp has precise location permission. These are common failure points. If the map won't refresh after extending or restarting, end sharing and resend a new live location. That reliably forces an updated timestamp and session for all recipients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.